encouraged her. Now look where we are. Between Danik shooting at us and whatever the fuck that was, what chance have we got?
You betrayed
No,
us!
I tried to save us. You are the real problem here, Clark, but not anymore.
Captain!
Stand down, Sergeant. This is all your fucking fault. She doesn't love you.
Fuck.
Come on. He won't stay dead forever, not around here.
I'm not gonna tell Ellie.
Hey, you tell her the truth. Now let's go.